Isemeroi Lucas Senior Teso kesi kangini karu itolo senenete Aingito Naka mox nada imorki kit case Aingito ngin na shamaete atukot Nuka Senior 4 keda Senior 6 nesera ipone diope loda Agear Teso irerei ipone loda ikeonet itube Teso Andrew Ochen Apollo Kinton no Aingito Naka Tesmea Kongora High School ngesi keon tebe Aingito ngin nesi abu ogeun Ejok.
Tesmea exam began on 21st this month, July, and it will be ending, for example, for O level will be ending on 22nd of August 2023. With the Senior 4 mock exam, which started on Monday, so far so good. We don't have any challenge with the exams. Even the children are very happy. They are saying exams are okay, and we expect a good performance at the end of the exercise. We registered a total of 187 candidates in Senior 4 this year. In A level, we registered 81 candidates, and they will be starting the exams next week on 4th of August. And for them, they will go up to 24th of August. That will be the last day for the exam.
Ngora High School nesi wadi esishiak akwata kaisa kanyara lukanyare kanuka Aingito Naka mox ko Senior 4 ko sodi akaisa kanyau na indio kanu atukot na Senior 6
jiko shon sine mam ko setio ko no pata karanoi do muno so am so yene lo na toma otoman ka papla na dar do za ni results
etenga papla otowai ke patana do dikapo pero ngajene pone jari ngesi konyata chutinga be etubo.
After the geography paper, we realized the things were all when cause the teachers, the quality of the teachers we have makes the paper simple.
Esi siak luda de parete ilukumine kanyangon keso karulo ibo ikina Aingito Naka mox ko Teso. Gabriel Esikukanuka TV East.